We are at 6042 West Maui Lane. Right on the corner. You notice there's a double RV gate on that end with extra concrete poured throughout the back, and another double RV gate on this side with plenty of room to park whatever toys, whatever trailers, whatever vehicles you have. And there's no HOA, so folks in this neighborhood can bring what they want and utilize their whole lot. It's really a nice property. On the northwest side of 61st Avenue and Greenway. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's a split bedroom plan. This nice fireplace with a pellet stove insert heater. Keeps the whole house warm in the wintertime. Kitchen. Have an upgraded tile countertop. Nice cabinets. The flooring is tile and wood. The pantry here. We'll start on this side. This is the 3rd bedroom being used as an office. Upgraded windows. New vanities and light fixtures in the baths. Second bedroom. Nice closet space throughout the house. Vaulted ceilings. This is the master bedroom. His and hers closets. Upgraded vanities again. Tower shelf combination. This has a 4-year-old air conditioner on it, but as we pass through these doors here to the back, there's a built-on Arizona room with a large capacity cooler, and when you leave that on and all the doors open throughout the house, the cool air in here is magnificent, and the air conditioner is not even on. Again, the upgraded energy windows in the Arizona room. Out to the backyard. Nice covered patio here. Block fencing. He's got 2 large trailers here, you can see, parked on the side of the house with the double door RV gate entry at the front. You can see there's lots of room back here. for everything. Low maintenance yard. Fruit tree. There's the other double RV gate. There's plenty of area to park back here. And a nice, it's not a tough shed, but it's one of the other makes similar to that. Lots of space in there for everybody. Storage. This is another entry to the back from the Arizona room. Again, we're at 6042 West Maui Lane. Price of $240,000. Great property, great area, and well maintained. Come see it.